Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Pingo AI review. So, you might be wondering, what is Pingo AI here? So, Pingo AI is an AI-powered language learning app built around real-time spoken conversations practice with an AI tutor. Now, rather than flashcards or memorization drills here, it supports around 15 plus languages, including Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Mandarin, Portuguese, Russian, Arabic, and others. Now, the app organizes practice around two modes here: tutor mode, offering structured, guided lessons for beginners, and role play mode, offering more spontaneous conversation scenarios, and over 200 real life situations like ordering food, job interviews, phone calls, and travel. Now, after each session here, the AI provides feedback on grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and fluency, along with a vocabulary saving feature for words encountered during conversations. Now, how do you use this? Well, in this case, you want to download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and choose the target language and proficiency level. Select the pre-built conversation scenarios or create a custom one and speak with the AI partner as it initiates or responds to prompts, adapting to your pace here. And after the conversation ends, review the feedback summary and suggested corrections before starting another session. Now, when it comes to the pricing itself, well, the app offers a free trial with limited access before subscription is required for full ongoing conversation practice. Now, pricing is coming listed at around $14.99 per month or around $99.99 a year, marketed as a discount of a $179.99 reference price. Now, the App Store also lists it as Pingo Pro option around like $83.99, though how that differs from the standard annual plan isn't clearly visible here, but you can also check that out in the specific store. Now, subscriptions are auto-renewing and can be canceled through in-app subscription management or via the App Store or Google Play account settings if subscribed there. But yeah, so that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.